Hey guys, find your passion with Head Girl here. Looking to upgrade your lighting for videos and stills? Well, this is a unboxing and product review of my new Great Video Maker studio light. Now, if you're new to this channel, I do certain DIY projects. I review some tech items. I also review camera items, and I also do some lighting reviews like this. Now, I'm gonna read from my phone. I don't have a teleprompter, and my my memory is not that long, so I'm gonna read the pertinent points, and then I'll let you decide. Now, on August the 1st, 2017, I purchased the Louisiana Photographic Studio Lighting Softbox Kit. And that's what I'm lighting the set with now. This is a continuous lighting setup for doing videos. Now, since my purchase and review of that kit, and you can go to that video right here, I've been looking to upgrade. I wanted to upgrade because the system was really dim for videos. Like right now, I think I'm cranking my ISO up to about 350 or 400, and I have two lights on right now, but they're just really okay. So guys, let's get into this unboxing. I got this lighting kit from Amazon. Okay, let's see what it comes with. A qualified certificate. The product name is LED Video Light. The country is made in China. Ain't that something? GVM Photographic Equipment Incorporated. Okay. What do we have here? Okay, looks like we got some kind of film. Okay. This is the product details is this is a GVM 80 watt CR 197 plus video lights with Bowens mount, color temperature 5600 Kelvin, dimmable LED continuous lighting, spotlight, photographic shooting light with reflector. Okay. So, it's got a little manual which shows you the specs and also how to operate the light. This is the reflector. That's the reflector right there. And that's the light, and it has power cable, and it has, okay, and that's it. Well, let me see if I can hook it up and see what's working with it. See what it looks like. Got a pretty long cord. It's not battery operated, so you would have to do this. This would be a studio light for real, but I can see that it might be adaptable to another power source, a battery power source. Might be able to find something to use to do that. Well, and it has a Bowens mount also. So let's put that Bowen mount on there and see what they gotta look like. Okay. Now, the power is right here, and there it is. And wow, now that's bright, and you can dim it. Okay. Yeah, I like that. I think that might work. Now, as you can see, there's only one control, and that's this one right here. And that turns it on and increases or decreases the temperature. Okay. We have the connection for the battery, for the AC pack that you use. I would imagine this would tighten, but I guess it'd be tight. Yeah, it tightens. This tightens up the fitting, and you have a spot for your umbrellas. So, and it has the Bowen mount, and you press this to release the mount. Pull it back, and you release the mount. So, for $119, I think it might work out well. Hey guys, that wraps it up. This is a really simple little light. I mean, it seems really powerful, you know, for the size. And I know it's more powerful than what I'm using right now. So I should be able to get some good images from it. Hey, at $119, can't beat it. And then it has a Bowen's mount. Now this Bowen's mount is worth its weight in gold, because with that mount, with the way that's mounted, you can use this with a lot of different types of modifiers. And I wish I had got 2 of these. I probably will get another one of these. At $119, hey, it's a value that you can't really beat. I mean, there might be something better, but I don't know. Anyway, guys, if you got any value out of this, leave me a comment. Hit that like button, and check this out. Subscribe. Until the next video, find your passion with Hair Girl.